When I started content creation, I used to have a lot of issues with my editing website or my editing apps. I started using InShots, and from InShots, I found out that there's no color grading in InShots. There is no captioning in InShots, right? And I decided to move to Capcut. That was when I saw Capcut, and I saw that, oh, Capcut, you can have what do you call it? There's captioning, there's color grading, and plenty stuffs, animation, and the rest. So I decided to use Capcut, and I edited my videos. Bro, I edited a particular video. It was very sweet. It was very beautiful. But when it got to the aspect of saving the video, that was when Capcom started telling me that I should pay 14,000 naira. I was like, from where to where? How am I going to get 14,000 naira to pay for an editing app that I will just use? I will just be using occasionally or whenever I want to use it. So it was something that was actually out of control. Like, the money was too much. 14,000 is too much. So I started looking for people that will join my Capcut team, and I didn't find them. From there, I started moving to apps. Like, you see them tell you, okay, Capcut Mode apps and the rest. I used them, and I wasn't actually getting what I was looking for, until one day I saw this editing app, which I am going to be introducing you to. This app is a perfect alternative to Capcut. A perfect alternative to Capcut. It has color grading. In fact, whatever you have in Capcut, you are also going to get it there, right? And I'm going to be introducing this app to you. It is very easy to use. Like I said, it is very easy to use, and all the features you can find in Capcut, you are also going to find it in this platform. So I'll be using my screen to show you. I'll be using my phone to show you, because this app can be accessed whether you're using an Android, an iPhone, or you are using your personal computer. And if you find this video helpful at the end of the day, don't forget to hit on the red subscribe button, and also share this video to your friends, so that they can come here and gain value, and in turn I'll feel motivated to continue dropping helpful videos like this. So let's go.
So to get this app, the very first thing you do is to go to Google Play Store. You have to go to Google Play Store and search for the name of this app, known as Capcut. And allow it to open. So it is here because I've already installed this app, right? So it's asking me to update, but I will not update it for the purpose of this video. I'm not going to update it. I will just see how we can move straight to the app to show you things about the app, right? I just want to show you things about the app, then later on I can come back and update my app by myself, right? So let's just search for it here. It is, I have it, Capcut. So this is it. You just have to see how it is very easy to use, right? So right now we have our new editing. Just click on new editing. So you can see some of the videos I've already edited down there. You just click on new editing and you get to see it. All tools are free on this app. All tools are free. Anything you want to do on this app is free. So let me just take any of my videos and click on done. So that is just, let me click on any of my videos and click on done, right? So let's go to where you can get to see me, right? So this is me right now, and if you click on edit, right, if you click on edit, you're going to see animations. So let's see, this is animation. Any of the animation you are looking for, you will get it here. Any animation you are looking for, you get it here, and it is for free. Any type of animation you are looking for, if that kind of animation is available, you are going to get it here for free. Nobody is charging you money for any form of animation on this platform. And also for the filters also is free. So any filter you are looking for, you will get it here. You understand? Any filter you are looking for. So let's say Lewis. So this is the filter for Lewis. So this is Polaroid. Get a light. So this is the filter for Polaroid. So let's also see HD lightning. You just have to allow it to load, just the way Capcut behaves. You just have to allow it load, and you get to see it has changed. So any one you are looking for, the texture. So let's say we want to do HD 4K. Just allow it to load and you get what you are looking for. So the monochrome. So you just see the way it is changing, right? So that is it for this particular platform. Everything you are looking for in Capcut, you can also get it here, including the color grading. You can also come to add adjustment. You see how you can be able to adjust any of these you are looking for. So you see the saturation, the vibrancy, anywhere you want to do it. Do you understand? You can easily get it here on this platform for free. Now the only downside on this app is that you are not going to get what they call captioning, right? So the captioning here, it may not be easy for you to actually get what's captioning on this platform, and that is why I have made a video on how you can be able to use Capcut Pro, right? You can be able to use Capcut Pro. I'm going to be making the video, so for you to get this video, make sure you subscribe to this channel, because if you don't subscribe, you may likely not come across this channel again. So if you want to actually get Capcut Pro, where you have access to captioning, where you have access to all of these free tools, then make sure you subscribe and also share this video to your friends so that they can come here and gain value. So drop it in the comment section whether you have used this app before and any difficulties you have faced in the course of using this app. And until I see you in my next video, I really love you. Thank you.